Good morning guys, Nick here with Kaizink. Wanted to introduce you to an updated process for mixing our ink. So here we have all of our ink in there, all the proper grams that it's called out for. And so now we need to actually blend it all together. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab one of our ink mixing tools over here. I'm going to slide that into our drill. How you do that is this guy just pulls out. So you're going to pull that out, slide that in, and then just let it go. So now it's locked in. So you're just going to grab your cup and you want to kind of hold it nice and firm because you don't want to let this cup get away from you. If you do, it's going to be a mess. All right, so we're going to grab this guy and just start to blend it. Like to get down there to the bottom as well, get all that other ink that's been sitting down there. Just want to get a nice blend on it. Get that ink all stirred around in there. All right, and then when you feel it's pretty well blended, what I like to do is just kind of bring it up a little bit. Get some of that excess ink off of there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab one of the spatulas, and what we're going to do is we're going to scrape down the sides. And we're scraping the sides because if you'll notice there's also colors on the sides here as well. And we have a bunch of yellow down here. However, the color we're going for is green. So the majority of the color yellow down here. So we want to actually use this guy to scrape down the sides, get everything in there. And the purpose for using the drill in the beginning is to just get a nice blend on it so your inks become usable. They become nice and thin, so you can actually mix them up, because just cold using the spatula, you're going to sit there and end up mixing it for a while. So the thing, you want to scrape your sides, get all of that ink off, and you also want to attack the bottom of it as well, because you'll see there's ink down there in the bottom. So you want to scrape that up as well. You just want to continue that process until the color that you're going for, which in this case is a green, 361C, until we don't see any other colors in there except for green.